This isn't going to be as long as the first one, but what an amazing scene this is. So first of all, let's just ask some weird questions. This is obviously in Pakistan. This looks like it's in some kind of textile factory. Remarkable scene. Let's just take a screen capture. Let's start up here. This is something which is going to be of interest to me. And I'm just going to take a screen capture here because this will help me emphasize something which strikes me about this, how incredibly high this thing is. And so these guys are working together. It looks like they are drying some cloths that have been washed. Really, I have no idea what they're doing. What strikes me about this, and I'll have to wait, I won't be able to fast forward it. Yes, I like this. Okay, so let's pause this here. And we can see here that we have some interesting detail, and the detail, two things strike me about this. Now let's change programs. Two things strike me about this. Is the height. This is something which I noticed about it. The height, and we've got a bit of detail here about the equipment that is used. The other thing that interests me about this was the way that, let me just do this. Now, you could do this in Word, but PowerPoint, you could do this in a fancy program, but PowerPoint is a program that's very easy to use. And this is just in a way, the easiest way for us to get images in one place. Now, I've taken these screenshots because the first down here helps me remember the general scene, what is going on. This picture helps me remember that the most striking thing about this part of probably a textile factory is the incredible height that these people are working from. Enormous height. And you saw in the first frame, this is just one of a number of huge racks. And this picture is interesting to me because it's telling me that there is more than one colour, and that there's more than one colour, and that it gives me just a bit of details about some of the mechanics, some of the equipment used. We've got rollers which make it easy for people to pull these incredibly long pieces of cloth up. And the other thing that is interesting about this is the way that we see two people working close together. In the other one, I could have mistakenly concluded that in this factory people work far apart, and I could have said the reason for this happening is because maybe, this is a why question, maybe they're working far apart because the boss wants them to be working hard and not talking, but this is obviously not the case because these people are working close together. If I hadn't zoomed in, I wouldn't have observed the mechanics. I might have said this looks incredibly difficult. I don't know why it's possible for them to pull these cloths up without ripping them on the bamboo. That's just some observations from this one. Enough about this. Let's go on to the next one.